Hey guys, Flash on Next DJ here with a great news. But first off, me and my friend over here is scattering through the woods. By the way, here's my friend. His name is Samuel. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. So we're gonna just walk through the woods right now and just like explore what's here. So let me show you guys. As you can see, there's Assabet River or lake, as I should say, and there's not a lot going on through the woods, but yeah. So for now, there's another update coming. So yeah. So you guys are telling me that it might be my pastor for the special guest, but stay tuned, and there are a lot of updates coming. So next week, probably on a Wednesday, next week probably on a Wednesday, there might be some videos coming soon to my channel. So let's go down here. Come on. Be careful with your step. Yeah. But Playz couldn't join us, so my friend here joined me, and we're just scattering through very slowly so we don't fall. Yeah, so let me know if you guys want a name reveal, so I can stop saying Flash on Next DJ. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the view in a moment. So basically we went apple picking, so now we're at in a national forest right now, so it's kind of far from Keith Tech. So all right, here we go. The view is gonna be on, as you can see. All right, there's my friend right there. Yeah, so let's see what's here on the sign. Sam, come here. Protect your pets from harmful LA blooms. Boy. Look at that view, guys. So much. But oh my god, look at this tree. Damn. It goes down, you see?
Yeah.
This tree is almost on the water. And look at that view. Sky is great, good, no more fog. All right, we're gonna go back up. So come on. We know. Hey, you can see my classmates down there. Hey, you're gonna be on my channel soon. Missy, you're being caught on camera.
Oh, really?
Huh?
Nice. Hey, wanna come to the picture, guys? Without eating? And smiling? Okay. Come on, guys. Get in the picture. No, he's still recording us.
Why are you recording us, bro? You can be right. You can be right here. Do it.
Oh, yes.
Stop eating, bro. Stop eating.
Stop eating?
Hold on.
Are you gonna stop eating?
Stop eating.
Did you take it?
Yeah.
You gonna have eating?
Was I eating? Can I see?
No, there's stuff in your face.
Yeah, I'm so
Send me
black.
that picture.
All right, so it's kind of like the YMCA, but it's not. So anyways, so let me just let you guys know that face reveals are, well, I've done my face reveal, but let me get, guys, just to let you know, comment in one of my videos if you want a name reveal. So like if you want my name, just comment down below, and yeah, and send my channel to your friends so they can subscribe to me. So yeah, and Parrot Playz, he told me that his live is gone wrong, so yeah. So let's see what's down here. Basically on a I'm like traveling on a Word of Life island right now. Oh my god. Damn. It's like abandoned forest. Anyway guys, enjoy the video. It's probably gonna go on for 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Guess we're going back. Oh, Sam, look. There's another trail. Huh?
I was looking at the squirrel, I think, but I think it is.
There's another trail. But anyways, let's head back.
Yeah, this
You're gonna see Parrot Playz soon, so hope you guys say hi to him on his channel and subscribe to him. And you're probably gonna see my teachers too. So, anyways, let's go Kiev Tech Broncos. anyways, this video has been going on for 10 minutes. So, as you guys know, next week I'm going to be doing a video with a special guest. So, stay tuned for that. And it's probably going to be before that, so you're being caught on camera again. It's not Instagram. It's YouTube. I don't have internet for Instagram. Volleyball, gaga ball over there, but there's no balls, so neither here. So we're just walking around inside the forest. We're still gonna go back to school, so this video is gonna probably end at 15 minutes. So before we sign up, before I end the video,
Didn't think I wanted to trick you, right? I just wanted to test you guys, huh?
hey, there's Perry at Playz right now. There's Perry at Playz right now.
Oh my gosh, dude. I told you.
I knew he was gonna come.
Yeah. Hello. I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's Perry at Playz. I told you guys that he was gonna be in the video.
Yeah.
So
Did you hear my voice or something before
yeah,
this?
yeah.
No, like before you did the video.
No.
Oh, okay. Hey guys. It's walk, I guess. I'm gonna show you something very good there, classroom next teacher.
Yep. So Perry at Playz is gonna share it with you his announcement.
I'm going to be live from Minecraft next week. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.
Yep. Subscribe to my channel and Perry at Playz's channel. So if I don't put the link in the video, so go type in on YouTube Perry at Playz. He's with the green logo.
Yeah.
He's with the green logo. So here we go.
Look at this. There's a beach right here, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Let's get back.
No! Damn it! All right, we're heading back. All right. Being caught on video again. All right, guys, I'm gonna probably end the video soon, so stay tuned for more updates. And next week, a bunch more announcements coming soon, so stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.